everyone, Chris Nicholson here. We're with Christine Henderson of the Ottawa Valley Wild Bird Care Center in Nepean, and she's just going to tell us a little bit about the center. So tell us how you got started in the first place.
Yeah, so we started off by basically having a very caring and compassionate community that didn't want to stand idly by when they saw injured birds that were in need of help. So our organization started very small, caring for only a couple hundred birds at a time. Nowadays, we're caring for over 3,000 birds every year.
Wonderful. So Christine, tell me a little bit how the Ottawa Valley Wild Bird Care Center is organized and how it's run.
Sure thing. So we are 100% donor-based. We did receive 2 grants last year, one from the Trillion Foundation and one from the City of Ottawa, and they were both for educational programming. So aside from that, the actual costs of caring for a bird is estimated averaged out at $101 per bird. So we really do rely very strongly on our donor base and our sponsors, and we're so grateful and appreciative for them and the volunteers that help us reduce costs and make this entire organization possible.
So Christine, if I were to find a bird in distress, what would be the best thing for me to do?
First thing to do would be to call the Wild Bird Care Center, and we would be able to give you advice on how to further care for them. Okay. We are the only Wild Bird Care Center in Eastern Ontario, so we do accept all birds. We don't turn any of them away, and we are open 365 days a year to accept birds.
Perfect. Okay, well, thank you. Check out the website. If you want to try to volunteer, you have a small donation. Any bit of help is welcome here at the Ottawa Valley Wild Bird Care Center. Thanks for having us today and showing us around.
Absolutely. You're very welcome.
You and the water could never quite agree on how to respond to the falling night. You like to say endlessly